C++, and C#. What's the difference? Let's start with C. C programming language, invented by Dennis Ritchie in 1972, is the oldest and most widely used of the three. Originally designed for the development of a new version of Unix, C revolutionized programming and operating system. As a low-level language, it performs almost as efficiently as assembly code and requires minimal runtime support. Despite being published 40 years ago, C is still widely used in operating systems, kernel-level software, hardware drivers, and applications that require older code. Many old-school programmers recommend C as the best starting point for newer languages and may offer security benefits due to its age and smaller user base, making it less attractive to hackers. C++, an extension of the C programming language, was created by Danish PhD student Bjarne Stroustrup to enhance C and add object-oriented programming capabilities without sacrificing speed or efficiency. As an intermediate-level language, it builds upon the low-level C language but has more advanced capabilities. Since its initial publication in 1985, C++ has become a prolific programming language used alongside C in operating system development and high-profile server and PC software. It is easier to understand if one has a solid foundation in C programming. C# is a high-level, object-oriented programming language developed by Microsoft in 2002. It is based on the .NET framework, but has a C language backbone. C# compiles into bytecode, allowing it to be translated into machine code on the fly. It adds garbage collection, uninitialized variable checking, bound checking, and type checking capabilities to the base C code. C# is typically used in internal or enterprise applications found in client and server development within the .NET framework. Despite being technically complicated, C#'s syntax is less error-prone and can be learned quickly. To sum up, use C if you're looking to write low-level applications with high control over hardware. Use C++ if you're looking to write low-level applications with more control. Use C# if you don't like the look of Java, and if you